When I was ready to advance my sewing skills properly, I made a wedding dress. The style was inspired by a dress by Australian designer Stephen Khalil. My body sloper was modified into a bustier with bra cups, and then the rest of the bustier was flared out into a skirt. I made a twirl to test if the pattern worked, and it did. I used Mikado silk for the shell and silk satin for the lining. The bra cups were cut out first, and then I cut the rest of the dress. I'll end up with 3 pieces for the front and 3 pieces for the back. I first sewed the front pieces together, and then I sewed the bra cups and attached the bra cups to the front piece. Then I attached the zipper and sewed the back pieces together. Boning strips were placed in the lining for structure and support. And a flared skirt was attached to the lining bodies to give volume to the shell piece. Then the shell dress was attached to the lining dress, and finally, crinoline was attached to the hemline for a structured finish. I really enjoyed doing this. It was a nice learning process.